Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to FLOKI update today after a long time, and let's talk about this little bit of a pattern. But before that, I'm actually doing something for you for absolutely free. I've taken the step to share charts that can be profitable for you. If the market is about to drop, I can share you a trade idea that of a bearish pattern, and if the market is about to move back up, I can share a bullish pattern just for you if you're a trader, so that you may find something very easily, very quickly, and for absolutely free of cost. So this is a new idea that I've actually shared with my members on Discord for absolutely free. It's public, and you can even get to see which coin this is. To know the name of the coin, just click on the comment section for Discord link. You tap on that, you're going to enter straight into it and go to a channel called Trade Ideas, and you're going to find this pattern right there. Okay, so back to FLOKI. And I think that this meme coin is looking for a reversal back to the upside. And I may say that we are kind of having a little bit of a breakout, and there's this one pattern that has been formed. I don't know what you call this, but it's almost like a inverted head and shoulders basically. So it does look like left shoulder, head, right shoulders. And we probably might be looking at FLOKI to go all the way from there to there, and this could actually be a move to the upside, and we might actually see FLOKI going up to for another 23% move to the upside. And also on the other hand, Bitcoin is looking for $62,000. So I do believe that we are going to be getting this technical target soon enough. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.